talent this year is exceptional.
My dream too.
Everybody comes to Theatre Week thinking, oh, they must be the golden child, until they get here and they realize that they're not alone. There's so much talent.
Over the next couple of days, the numbers of contestants will keep going down. Your idol journey ends here today.
We're so sorry, but both of you will be going home.
I'm sorry, guys.
Getting through Theatre Week means that they are one step closer to becoming the next Nigerian Idol.
Please, just be going to the next round.
You're going through to the next round.
For the next round.
Nigerian Idol Season 9, Sundays at 7 p.m. West African Time. Nigerian Idol, exclusive to DSTV and GoTV.
Nigerian Idol is proudly sponsored by Techno, Stop at Nothing, and Biggie for every moment.